We had so much fun working with Britt Deanda from Elevate the Globe. When she reached out to us, she was pregnant with her second child and really wanted help getting her garage under control. The garage had sort of become a melting pot of furniture that they couldn't use in their home, or old baby things, household stuff, some things from her work, just, a typical garage where people just sort of start stacking things in there. And then one day it just becomes a little bit overwhelming. So we arrived and, typical of what we do on every project, we pulled everything out, sorted it all into categories. We had so much fun hanging out with her dog and her daughter. Just a really wonderful project to be on. And she did such a good job of figuring out really what she wanted to keep, what they didn't need in their life anymore. And she was very focused on creating space for the new one coming into their family soon. We came across a lot of her old baby items, and with the new one on the way, we thought it would be great to organize all of those things by age and label them so that Britt could really easily just go in there and say, okay, here's a bin of newborn to 6 months, and bring all of those hand-me-downs in, and then, moving forward into the next age and the next age. Otherwise, it can be a little bit overwhelming to just see boxes that are like, old baby stuff, use this for your new one. If you're a parent, how little time you're going to have to be sorting through all of those things. And then most often, they don't even end up getting used for the second baby. So that was a really fun project to do. And I know that was one of her favorite results. All of the furniture and home decor that she decided that they didn't want to keep or they couldn't use in their new house space, we were able to donate to our charity partner, A Sense of Home. By the end of the project, we were able to leave her with space to park 2 cars. We had the entire floor clean. There was a designated area for her daughter's toys. And we were able to create a little mini office space for her in the garage with some backstock of products and things that they make to create goodie bags for people, and just a fun, beautiful, creative space for her to work.